How to get sticker in Bee Swarm Simulator. I'm going to show you how you can get stickers in the Bee Swarm Simulator. For the most part, stickers can be found in different locations. These will most often be common stickers, with their stickers being hard to find. If you see one, simply click on it to add it. Hidden stickers are particularly hard to find. These spawn daily and will appear for 7 days before despawning. This can be in a multitude of locations, so keep an eye out. There are 2 others, but more costly, ways to get your perfect sticker: the Sticker Seeker item and Sticker Printer. The Sticker Seeker can be crafted in the hub field for 7 million honey, 1 glue, 1 oil, 5 soft wax, and other ingredients. Using it has a chance to find rare stickers in fields. It will also open up the Seeker Sticker Quest, which will have potential to give you rare stickers. Simply having the item will allow you to sticker collect enough to get new sticker rewards. The Sticker Printer is a somewhat reliable way to get any stickers in your collection. You can find it, just paste the lion bee gate and right of an instant converter machine. Using the Sticker Printer, you can convert spare eggs into stickers. Basic eggs give common stickers. Silver eggs give rarer ones, and so on, with gifted mythic eggs having the best chances for extremely rare stickers.